I don't think the bug doesn't look inaccurate. Oh, hey, Speedy. Yeah, his name is Speedy. This is so crazy. This is absolutely cool. Not gonna lie. I'll just. What the frick? Okay, I don't know what to say that. This is so weird. Me playing in the hidden wave, but on the real TV. Oh no, what happened to Speedy? Oh yeah, the SETN bugs. What the freak? Oh, that's Goofy. Goofy off. No. Kill him. Let's kill him, but what is this? It's too weird. The glitch giant is so cool. Holy Jesus. Gotta mention about that, and then we won. Yay. But no hidden badge. Yes, no hidden badge. So I don't know what should I say. That was so cursed. Okay, I know.